Hi, I'm Joe Barton from Ramp, the Dennis Advertising Agency, with your Monday Morning Marketing Minute. Today, I want to talk about an advanced way to attract new movers. In a previous episode of the Monday Morning Marketing Minute, I talked in depth about geofencing. In a nutshell, we have the ability, or you would have the ability, to put an electronic fence around any building or geographic area. In the new mover scenario, what we recommend is geofencing an area where new development is taking place. You capture all of the cell phone information for the people within that area, and then you start to serve them ads across the digital display network, which is whenever they're surfing the internet, they'll see your ads. A really effective way to do it is in conjunction with a traditional direct mail piece with a magnet for new movers to the same area. So this way they're seeing your digital ads all the time, and then they get that tangible piece with the magnet on it, and they can put the magnet on their fridge and save the tangible cardboard or piece that it was delivered on and call you later. So for more information on Ramp, go to rampresults.com or give me a call at 1-800-620-RAMP, R-A-M-P.